As you can see, I have a Bluetooth speaker, but it is not just Bluetooth speaker, it has more functionalities than other Bluetooth speaker, and I'm going to talk about all of these options. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video, and if you're new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So jump to the video. So first of all, I'm doing unboxing. So before unbox, check out this box. As you can see, Havit branding with model number mx701 with image of the speaker, and in this side nothing here, and here's some feature. So very smart packaging, and here showing upside of the speaker. So let's unbox with my knife. Just pull out, nothing here. And first thing is this speaker, we will talk later. Then a plastic box. Under the plastic box, some cable, USB cables to USB-C with a 3.5mm jack. I don't know why they give a 3.5mm jack. I think it will work with laptop or PC, but cable quality is not that decent. It's okay. Then the paperwork. So open it. Here some paperwork. I think we don't need this installations. So let's talk about this speaker. Opening this Playback. As you can see, first of all, it's look like a mirror, and it's wrapping a poly things. Wow, it's very shiny, and you can see yourself. So it has different buttons. This side USB, and in this back side, as you can see, in this side two speaker. Actually, one is subwoofer and another one is tweeter. In middle of buttons, as you can see, a hole. It is a microphone, so you can call to talk. In this right side, as you can see, here is flash card port, so you can use a SD card, and here is USB port, and here's a little hole. It is actually a lit light. When you charge it, then it light up. In this back side, as you can see, two speaker. One of is subwoofer and another one is tweeter. In middle, it's Havit logo. In this downside, as you can see, Havit logo with model number, and it is power input is 5V 1A, so you can charge it by your phone charger, and its max speaker power is 5W. It has rechargeable battery. This is a 3.7 voltage battery. Obviously it is made in China. So let's turn on. For turning on, press and hold this key to open, and it power up. And as you can see, it is time showing and Bluetooth signal up. That's mean right now in Bluetooth mode, and it has two alarm, so you can use as a FM radio. It's start with Bluetooth mode. You can connect with Bluetooth your mobile device. It is Bluetooth is 4.1, and second mode is FM radio. So you don't have phone, you don't have SD card, and then you can listening FM radio, which is good options. Then another one is Apt mode, so you can use this speaker for your laptop or desktop via this cable. So this is the nice options. Last three button is working as a volume up and down button and play pause. If you press and hold these plus buttons, it's track the next. So let's talk about main things. This speaker, when I play lots of song and high bass song, then speaker shake. So this thing is very irritating, but otherwise everything is good. The sound quality is very clear. So let's play a song. Price tag, it is a very good option to buy. So that's all about today. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you next.